This is the screwjack calculator for lifting force and torque, which determines the mechanical advantage and torque requirements for screwjack applications. Let's review the 4 input fields. First, enter the load F in newtons. This is the weight or force you need to lift. Next, input the mean screw diameter dm in millimeters. Measure this at the pitch diameter of your screw thread. Then add the lead L in millimeters. That's the distance the screw advances in one complete rotation. Finally, enter the friction coefficient M. Typical values range from 0.1 to 0.3, depending on your materials and lubrication. After clicking Calculate Screw Jack Parameters, the calculator displays your results. The output shows the required torque to lift your load, accounting for the friction in the threads. It also calculates the mechanical advantage of your screw jack system and the efficiency percentage. These values help you properly size your motor or manual input force and understand how much energy is lost to friction in the system. This tool streamlines screw jack design calculations. Find the link in the description below.